So another try for Habizone apprentice stall, 700. Let's fly. This one is quick fly and landing right away. So prepare for landing. So put down, align it. Another go around. Was a little bit high, so before to touch the ground again. So another attempt.